All right, today we are dividing polynomials, and the first example says long division. Well, before we start on long division of polynomials, I want to go back to elementary school when we learned to do long division. Okay, so the first thing we would ask ourselves, 4 goes into 36 how many times? And we would say 9 times, and then we would multiply. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract straight down, bring down the 1. How many times will 4 go into 1? 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract straight down, bring this number down, we get 13. 4 will go into 13 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And then we're done here with a remainder of 1. Now, the part that I skipped over, because you talked about remainders for a while, and then you went into decimals, like how to turn this into a decimal. But what we didn't talk about was really that remainder becomes the fraction 1 over what we were dividing by, which is a fourth, for our final answer. So we're going to use those skills today for dividing polynomials. So here's what it looks like. X plus 3 goes on the outside. X cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 9 goes on the inside. And we ask ourselves, x times what is x cubed? Well, that is x squared. Then we do x squared times x, which is x cubed. X squared times 3, which is 3x squared. And subtract straight down. So remember to subtract everything. So these will cancel. 5 minus 3 is 2x squared. And then we have plus 6x. And then we'll repeat. X times what is 2x squared? Well, that is 2x. So repeat, 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. Subtract, and that is 0x. Bring down the 9. X plus 3 will go into 0x 0 times. Multiply to get 0. Subtract to get 0. Subtract to get, let me undo that, 9, and that is my remainder. So here is how I would write my final answer. X squared plus 2x plus 0, but I don't need to put plus 0, plus 9 over x plus 3.